Loved it. It was a great night, really busy and buzzing and lots of things happening.
This is Wycombe being alive. Kids enjoying themselves, parties, the decorations, the whole lot.
It was so fantastic. It was really busy, lovely and Christmassy, just like a Christmas light switch on should be.
It was buzzing, wasn't it? It was great. There were so many kids. We got completely mobbed at one point and we were only supposed to be out for 30 minutes and an hour and a half later we were still there doing photograph after photograph. But the children loved us and they were all having such a lovely time. It was brilliant.
It was an excellent event, very well supported, and it all seemed to be a great thing.
Ho, ho, ho!
I really enjoyed tonight because it's really busy and it's really live.
My favourite part is when Darth Vader switched the lights on and I got a photo with the stormtroopers.
I enjoyed going on the rides.
It's a great turnaround for Wycombe because it's not the most liveliest place and it's just amazing.
Merry Christmas everyone!